Hello all, welcome to my channel. Before going into this lecture, so if you are new people watching my videos, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, and whenever I upload a new video, if you don't want to miss it, kindly hit the bell icon for the latest updates. Now without much delay, let's get started. So in this video, we are going to talk about what are different approaches or strategies which we have in order to construct our data warehouse. So in general, we have three different strategies in order to construct our data warehouse. So first one is enterprise data warehouse strategy. Second one is top-down approach, and third one is bottom-up approach. So let's discuss what is an enterprise data warehouse strategy means. So as you all know, we have multiple different source systems, and we are going to extract that particular data into our staging layer, and then we perform transformation and then load it to our data warehouse. Like we do ETL operations, right? So that's a common strategy. Like we extract, transform, and load the data into the data warehouse, which will be directly be utilized by the downstream users like Power BI teams and all. We don't have any data marts in this kind of model. So it's just very simple concept. Like we have source systems, we do ETL, and we load the data into the data warehouse, which will be directly consumed by the downstream users. Yeah. Now let's talk about the top-down approach or strategy of constructing a data warehouse. So the same thing here, we have multiple different source systems. We are going to extract, transform, and load our data into the data warehouse. And the point here is the main difference between this enterprise data warehouse and the top-down strategy is that once the data warehouse is developed or constructed, on top of it, we are going to construct small data marts. The point to be noted here is first we are going to develop the data warehouse, and from that on top of it we are going to create small data marts. And this is the most common strategy which we follow in any like organizations. So yeah, first we are going to develop data warehouse, and then we are going to develop data marts. So these small data marts are now, will now be utilized for the downstream users, like we are reporting teams for the reporting purposes. So this is the top-down approach of constructing your data warehouse. This was proposed by Bill Inman. Yeah. Now let us talk about bottom-up strategy in order to construct a data warehouse. So in the top-down strategy, we discussed, right. So we first create a data warehouse, and then we will be creating data marts. So here is the same thing. We have multiple different source systems, and we are going to extract the data and we are going to transform it. But the point here is the main difference between top-down strategy and bottom-up strategy is that in the bottom-up strategy, we are going to create small data marts first. So let's say we have 150 records. The 50 records are belong to one particular subject area, 50 records belongs to other subject area, and 50 records belong to other subject area. So we are going to create small, like three different data marts first, and then we are going to integrate these three different data marts data into a data warehouse. So which will be used by the downstream users for the reporting needs. So this is the only main difference between the top-down strategy and bottom-up strategy. So in the top-down strategy, we are going to construct the data warehouse first, and then on top of it, we are going to develop the data marts. But in the bottom-up strategy, we are going to construct data marts first, and then we are going to load those data marts data into the data warehouse, which will then be used by the downstream users. So this approach was proposed by Ralph Kimball. Hope you have learned something out of this video. I mean, the approaches, what are the different ways of constructing a data warehouse. We basically have three different approaches. First one is an enterprise data warehouse approach, and second one is a top-down approach, which is most commonly used in organizations, and third one is the bottom-up approach. Yeah, if you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and we'll meet in the next videos.